shed right there. Got a tree on it. There's Beth's trailer, or our trailer. Beth lives in. Destroyed the fence that I built right there. That tree goes all the way back here. Let's see. Is it some part of her? Back out. Yep, some part of her trellis area patio. So it got hit.